Ciao a tutti, bentornati a Learn Italian Channel. Questo è un corso di italiano per i principianti. In the previous lesson, you learned some descriptive vocabulary for clothes. There was also a quiz. Come si dice short skirt in italiano? A. Gonna corta. B. Gonna corto. The correct answer is A. Gonna corta. In today's lesson, you will learn colors, I colori. Let's start. Please repeat after me. White, bianco, 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 black, nero, 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 red, rosso, 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 yellow, giallo, 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 light blue, azzurro, 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 gray, grigio, 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 green, verde, 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 brown, marrone, 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 orange, arancione, 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 blue, blu, blu, purple, viola, 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 pink, rosa, rosa, rosa. Then you make sentences. The colors follow the nouns. The colors which end with O or with E need to agree with the gender and number of the noun. Note that blue, viola, and rosa don't need to agree with the nouns, so they don't change. Let's see different grammar forms of colors. I will start with the colors ending with O. Masculine singular. Bianco, nero, rosso, giallo, azzurro, grigio. Masculine plural. Bianchi, neri, rossi, gialli, azzurri, grigi. Feminine singular: bianca, nera, rossa, gialla, azzurra, grigia. Feminine plural: bianche, nere, rosse, gialle, azzurre, grigie. For the colors ending with "e", masculine singular and feminine singular: verde, marrone, arancione. Masculine plural and feminine plural: verdi, marroni, arancioni. Let's see some examples. Vorrei comprare una borsa nera e un paio di scarpe nere. I would like to buy a black handbag and a pair of black shoes. Preferisco questa maglietta a righe verdi e blu. I prefer this green and blue striped shirt. Di che colore è il tuo motorino? È viola. What color is your scooter? It is purple. Di che colore sono i tuoi guanti? Sono rossi. What color are your gloves? They are red. Now there is a quiz. Come si dice the white pants in italiano? A. I pantaloni bianco. B. I pantaloni bianchi. You can write the answer in my Instagram account or in the comment box on my YouTube channel. My Instagram is learn_Italian20. Thank you for following, rating, and commenting on my Instagram account, and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And thank you also for downloading this free episode of my podcast. In the next lesson, you will hear a dialogue at a clothes shop. Grazie, a presto!